Alright, I wanted to answer question 101. This problem is getting us ready for calculus. The cone has a height of 10 inches and a radius of 4 inches. I'll go ahead and draw this cone. If a plane cuts the cone x inches above the cone's peak, what is the area of the circular cross-section? So this kind of does this. And then we have this other cross-section here. And let me put in some lines here. Oops. Oops. It is coming all the way down. We're just going to sketch this in because my line tool is not working that well. Alright, so here we go. Okay. So we know a little bit of information. We know that this length here is x. We know that this length, or the radius, is 4. Then we also know that this is 10. Okay. Alright, so we need to find the area of this guy. That's where we're going to start. Now, I'm going to call this R, okay, radius, because we don't know it. And if you look at this, we have similar triangles here. We have the little guy, which is X and R. Then we have the bigger one, which is 4 and 10. So, if that is true, we can write a proportion, 10 over 4 equals X over R. Now we're trying to find the area of this. So, we know the area formula for a circle is pi r squared. So now we have two equations. Now, the goal is we want to find an area equation for this. Now, if we look at both of the equations, we need to find what's similar. So we know r and r are the same. So what we're going to try to do here is we're going to try to take the equation on the left and isolate r. So let's go ahead and multiply each side by r. Actually, let's cross multiply. I think that's easier. So we'll get 4x equals 10r. And now let's divide each side by 10 to get r alone. These cancel. We can reduce to 5x is equal to r. Okay. Now that I know this, I can take r, which is all of this, and plug it in to this equation. So I get area equals pi times 2 over 5x squared, which gives me area equals pi 4 over 25 x squared. And now we can write this out as 4 pi x squared all over 25 is my area formula. Now these problems are tough because you've first got to figure out what the heck to even do. This problem's all started with the similar triangles, and then once you find that, you're relating two equations together, which is what we did here, substituting and then evaluating. We will get much more practice with this in Chapter 7.